In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the Wix affiliate program and how you can make money online with Wix. So the first step, what you want to do, you want to go to your browser, then type in wix.com, and this will bring you over to this page. I'm going to show you how you can get commission to promote the Wix website, so the Wix services. So first, go to the homepage, wix.com, scroll all the way down. So let's go all the way down, there we go. And then you want to find Wix affiliate, so you can find it somewhere here. There we go, Wix affiliate under company. And basically what this is, if you're affiliate of Wix, you can earn money promoting their service. So Wix is a very innovative company regarding web host, web design, easy responsive mobile websites. And yeah, if you're doing some things in the business of web development, you can easily promote their service to other people and earn some money. So here it already tells you become a Wix affiliate. You can start earning now. A lot of people worldwide are using Wix and it's very popular around the globe. Here it also tells you what do you get. You get more than $100 for every conversion. So for everyone who pays through your link for hosting, for the domain, everything and that, you get a commission. So it has unlimited referrals, and that means that you can bring in unlimited amount of people to Wix and you will still get paid. So there's no limit to how much you can earn from this. So it has a good dashboard. I use this myself as well, and that's actually true. You can see everything very easily. And yeah, creative resources, you can, they have different banners to promote. You can do paid advertising for the Wix affiliate program, free advertising to, for example, YouTube, through Instagram, anything like that. So if you actually want to sign up, you can apply for an affiliate account, promote their product, so their websites, and then you can get paid through commissions with a referral link. So let's go to start earning now, and then this will bring us over to the sign up page of the Wix affiliate program. Here you have to enter in all your information, and then you won't be accepted straight away because they have to make sure that you are legit and that you really want to promote their products. So just enter in all your information, hit submit, and they will get back to you within a week at least. So maybe within a day, but it could take up to a week. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.